The Samsung Galaxy Z Roll 5G is speculated to mark a groundbreaking shift in smartphone innovation, moving beyond foldable to rollable displays. Featuring motorized mechanisms that expand and retract the screen, this device seeks to transform the way users engage with mobile technology. Its design aspires to deliver a smooth, crease-free display, potentially making secondary screens obsolete. Samsung is reportedly developing a smartphone with a large rollable display that could launch in the second half of 2026. Last year, a popular tipster claimed that Samsung is developing a smartphone with a rollable display and that it could launch the device in 2025. Well, after more than a year, we have some new information on the matter. Now, Samsung is reportedly making an absurdly large smartphone with a new form factor. According to a scoop by the Korean outlet The Elic yesterday, Samsung is developing a smartphone with a rollable screen with the intent of launching in 2025. The phone would have a 12.4-inch display when unrolled, making it absolutely massive by smartphone standards, even bigger than the 10.2-inch trifold Huawei Mate XT that took the internet by storm recently. Of course, while the Mate XT is a tri-fold phone that looks a little more like a traditional foldable, such as the one Samsung makes, Samsung's rumored new device would theoretically roll and unroll like a piece of parchment, except, it's also a phone. Without seeing even renders of how the device would look, it's hard to speculate on exactly how it would work. Samsung's rollable smartphone will be the first phone with a rollable display in the world, considering that no other brand launches a phone with such a form factor in 2026, perhaps together with the purported Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Flip 8. Its conventional foldables tip the proverbial sources familiar with the matter, according to a report by The Elic. The Galaxy Z Roll could come with the ISOCELL HP2 sensor, which is a 1 by 1.3-inch sensor with 0.6 micrometer pixels. It can capture 10-bit and 12-bit RAW images. With the help of features like dual slope gain and Smart ISO Pro, it can capture images that have a high dynamic range. The sensor features pixel binning and can capture 12.5 megapixel, 50 megapixel, and 200 megapixel resolution images. The phone may come with an under-display front-facing camera that feature an upgraded 12 megapixel. The phone is expected to feature a new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 or Exynos 2600 processor, a 12.4-inch display with AI privacy features, and potential 144Hz refresh rate with 3000 nits brightness. Other potential features include an 8,000 mAh battery with 65-watt fast charging and 25-watt wireless charging, up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a titanium design with a built-in S Pen. Samsung is now prioritizing rollable phone technology, aiming for a 2026 launch. Thanks for watching.